The Raypak R5450ti-E is a powerful 103,000 BTU electric pool heat pump designed to deliver consistent, energy-efficient heating for medium to large pools. Built with a titanium heat exchanger, this model is engineered for durability and long-term performance, even in harsh pool water conditions. The titanium construction ensures maximum resistance to corrosion, making it a reliable choice for saltwater or chlorine-treated pools. Equipped with scroll compressors, the R5450ti-E operates quietly while providing efficient heat transfer, minimizing noise disruption around your backyard oasis. The three-blade swept-wing fan design improves airflow, enhancing overall performance while keeping energy consumption in check. This combination of advanced fan and compressor technology allows for a smooth and efficient operation that can handle extended run times without overheating. Another standout feature is its remote compatibility, which makes controlling your pool temperature easy and convenient from a distance. Whether you want to heat your pool for an early morning swim or maintain a comfortable temperature for evening relaxation, the R5450ti-E gives you precise control at your fingertips. Its digital interface makes monitoring and adjusting settings intuitive, so you're never guessing about the current pool conditions. Installation is straightforward for anyone familiar with 208 to 230 volt pool equipment setups, and it ships from Tropical Supply with a 30-day easy return policy, adding a layer of security to your investment. Customer support is readily available for any questions or technical assistance, which is a valuable perk for high-powered equipment like this. Priced at $4,095 with the potential to get $80 off through the Amazon store card, it may be a premium investment, but the performance, durability, and quiet operation justify the cost for pool owners who prioritize long-term efficiency and comfort. Overall, the Raypak R5450ti-E combines robust engineering, smart features, and high-output heating in a compact, reliable package, making it one of the best options available for serious pool enthusiasts.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.